Assalamu alaikum. I will discuss some important MCQs from general anesthesia. Question number 1 is the state of general anesthesia usually include option A analgesia, option B loss of consciousness, inhibition of sensory and autonomic reflexes, option C amnesia, option D all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 2. Indicate the anesthetic which is an inhibitor of NMDA glutamate receptors. Option A thiopental, option B halothane, option C ketamine, option D sevoflurane. The correct answer of this question is option C, ketamine. Question number 3. An ideal anesthetic drug would, option A, induce anesthesia smoothly and rapidly and secure rapid recovery. Option B, possesses a wide margin of safety. Option C, be devoid of adverse effects. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 4. Which of the following general anesthetic belongs to inhalants? Option A thiopental, option B desflurane, option C ketamine, option D propofol. The correct answer of this question is option B, desflurane. Question number 5. Indicate the anesthetic which is used intravenously. Option A, propofol, option B, halothane, option C, desflurane, option D, nitrous oxide. The correct answer of this question is option A, propofol. Question number 6. Which of the following inhalants is a gas anesthetic? Option A, halothane, option B, isoflurane, option C, nitrous oxide, option D, desflurane. The correct answer of this question is option C, nitrous oxide. Question number 7. Sevoflurane has largely replaced halothane and isoflurane as an inhalation anesthetic of choice because option A, induction of anesthesia is achieved more rapidly and smoothly. Option B, recovery is more rapid. Option C, it has low post anesthetic toxicity. Option D, all of above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 8. The limitation of slow sevoflurane is option A, high incidence of coughing and laryngospasm. Option B, chemical unstable. Option B, C, centrally mediated sympathetic activation. Option C, D, hepatotoxicity. The correct answer of this question is option B, chemically unstable. Question number 9. Which of the following inhalants lacks sufficient potency to produce surgical anesthesia by itself and therefore is commonly used with another inhaled or intravenous anesthetic? Option A, halothane, option B, sevoflurane, option C, nitrous oxide, option D, desflurane. The correct answer of this question is option C, nitrous oxide. Question number 10. Which of the following inhaled anesthetic has rapid onset and recovery? Option A, nitrous oxide. Option B, desflurane. Option C, sevoflurane. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 11. Indicate the inhaled anesthetic which produces arterial pressure and heart rate. Option A, isoflurane. Option B, halothane. Option C, desflurane. Option D, nitrous oxide. The correct answer of this question is option B, halothane. Question number 12. Which of the following inhaled anesthetics cause centrally mediated sympathetic activation leading to a rise in blood pressure and heart rate? Question number option A is desflurane. Option B, sevoflurane. Option C, nitrous oxide. Option D, isoflurane. The correct answer of this question is option A, desflurane. Question number 13. Indicate the inhaled anesthetic which decreases the ventilatory response to hypoxia. Option A, sevoflurane. Option B, nitrous oxide. Option C, desflurane. Option D, halothane. The correct answer of this question is option B, nitrous oxide. Question number 14. Which of the following inhaled anesthetics is an induction agent of choice in patients with airway problems? Option A, desflurane. Option B, nitrous oxide. Option C, halothane. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer of this question is option C, halothane. Question number 15. Indicate the inhaled anesthetic which causes the airway irritation. Option A, nitrous oxide. Option B, sevoflurane. Option C, halothane. Option D, desflurane. The correct answer of this question is option D, desflurane. Question number 16. Which of the following inhaled anesthetics increases cerebral blood flow least of all? Option A, sevoflurane. Option B, nitrous oxide. Option C, isoflurane. Option D, desflurane. The correct answer of this question is option B, nitrous oxide. Question number 17. Indicate the inhaled anesthetic which should be avoided in patients with a history of seizure disorder. Option A, enflurane. Option B, nitrous oxide. Option C, sevoflurane. Option D, desflurane. The correct answer of this question is option A, enflurane. Question number 18. Which of the following inhaled anesthetic can produce hepatic necrosis? Option A, sevoflurane. Option B, desflurane. Option C, halothane. Option D, nitrous oxide. The correct answer of this question is option C, halothane. Question number 19. Indicate the inhaled anesthetic which may cause nephrotoxicity. Option A, halothane. Option B, sevoflurane. Option C, nitrous oxide. Option D, diethyl ether. The correct answer of this question is option B, sevoflurane. Question number 20. Which of the following inhaled anesthetics decreases methionine synthesis activity and cause megaloblastic anemia? Option A, desflurane. Option B, halothane. Option C, nitrous oxide. Option D, sevoflurane. The correct answer of this question is option C, nitrous oxide. Question number 21. Unlike inhaled anesthetics, intravenous agents such as thiopental, ethomidate, and propofol. Option A, have a faster onset of rate of recovery. Option B, provides state of consciousness and sedation. Option C, commonly used for induction of anesthesia. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 22. Indicate the intravenous anesthetic which is an ultra short acting barbiturate. Option A, fentanyl. Option B, thiopental. Option C, midazolam. Option D, ketamine. The correct answer of this question is option B, thiopental. Question number 23. Indicate the intravenous anesthetic which is a benzodiazepine derivative. Option A, midazolam. Option B, thiopental. Option C, ketamine. Option D, propofol. The correct answer of this question is option A, midazolam. Question number 24. Which of the following agents is used to accelerate recovery from the sedative actions of intravenous benzodiazepines? Option A, naloxone. Option B, flumazenil. Option C, ketamine. Option D, fomepizole. The correct answer of this question is option B, flumazenil. Question number 25. Which of the following intravenous anesthetics has antiemetic action? Option A, thiopental. Option B, propofol. Option C, thiopental. Option D, fentanyl. The correct answer of this question is option B, propofol. Question number 26. Indicate the intravenous anesthetic which causes minimal cardiovascular and respiratory depressant effects. Option A, propofol. Option B, thiopental. Option C, ethomidate. Option D, midazolam. The correct answer of this question is option C, ethomidate. Question number 27. Indicate the intravenous anesthetic which produces dissociative anesthesia. Option A, midazolam. Option B, ketamine. Option C, fentanyl. Option D, thiopental. The correct answer of this question is option B, ketamine.